from wherever you are, find some comfort in the way that you're sitting. If you're in a chair, maybe push away from your desk or move to a really comfortable chair. If you're on the floor, make yourself as comfortable as possible. If you're laying on the floor, bonus points for you. Maybe some height under your knees or a pillow under your head. And if it feels comfortable for you, go ahead and close your eyes. And when you're ready, exhale the breath that you are holding in your body. And from there, just begin to notice your breath. Don't need to make any changes to it. Don't need to do anything different, but just notice. Is it short? Is it long? Do you feel constricted in any way? Do you need to move to find comfort? And then if you're in a place where you feel comfortable, let's do 3 collective inhales and audible exhales together. So when you're ready, inhale and then exhale. And inhale and then exhale. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. And then from there, just allow your breathing to return to normal. And for the next few minutes, give yourself permission to just focus on these sounds. And if you're having trouble focusing, remind your brain that it's okay, that you'll be back to your to-do list, you'll be back to your emails, you'll be back to whatever life is calling you to in just a few minutes. When you feel ready, open your eyes and begin to return fully into your body. And give yourself some gratitude for taking a few minutes, even just a few minutes, to breathe and to be away from the busy of your life and the responsibilities that call to us so often. Have an amazing weekend.